Itel S25 Ultra Review, a premium smartphone with stunning display and powerful performance. Looking for a feature-packed smartphone that combines style, performance, and affordability? The Itel S25 Ultra might just be your perfect match. With a super bright AMOLED curved display, 50MP AI camera, and long-lasting battery, this device is designed to impress. Let's dive into its key features. Sleek and stylish design. The Itel S25 Ultra boasts a premium look with 3 stunning color options. Bromo Black, elegant and sophisticated. Meteor Titanium, modern and futuristic. Komodo Ocean, vibrant and eye-catching. At just 6.9 mm thin and 163 grams light, it feels sleek and comfortable in your hand, perfect for daily use. Immersive super bright AMOLED curved display. Enjoy vibrant colors and deep contrasts on the 6.7-inch super bright AMOLED curved display. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or scrolling through social media, every visual pops with stunning clarity, even in bright sunlight. Powerful performance and storage. Octa-core processor, smooth multitasking and lag-free performance. Extended RAM up to 16 GB, 8+8, enhanced speed for gaming and heavy apps. Massive storage, 128 GB/256 GB/512 GB ROM, store all your photos, videos, and apps without worry. 50MP AI camera, capture every moment like a pro. The 50MP rear camera and 32MP front camera deliver crisp, high-quality photos with advanced features like Super Night Mode, bright, clear low-light shots. AI scene recognition, optimizes settings for any scenario. 10x zoom and 2K video recording, get closer to the action with sharp details. Pro mode, panorama, slow motion and more, unleash your creativity. Long-lasting battery and fast charging. A 5000 mAh battery keeps you powered all day, while 18 watts Type-C fast charging quickly refuels your phone, so you spend less time waiting and more time doing. Itel OS 14.5, smooth and user-friendly. Running on Itel OS 14.5, the S25 Ultra offers a clean, intuitive interface with smart optimizations for better performance and efficiency. Final verdict, should you buy it? The Itel S25 Ultra is a budget-friendly powerhouse with premium features like an AMOLED display, 50MP camera, and massive storage. If you want a stylish, high-performance phone without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic choice.